Now I welcome Mr. Ashok Kumar from Kangen Water. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, HMA. Special thanks to Chandra Garu for providing a platform here like this, interacting with everyone to build the business. Thank you, sir. So everybody has much to say about their business, but I have something to show. It's a water product, water ionizer. It's not a purifier, it's a water ionizer. This product is from Japan. It's a 46-year-old company, but it is very new to India. So it has launched in 2016 in India. So since then we have 50,000 users in India. Yeah. So why we are talking about water is just because 70% of our human body is with water, right? Do you all agree with that?
Yes.
Yes, 70% is with water only, right? So what kind of water are we drinking on a daily basis? So what do you drink? You drink filter water, right? Great. So everybody has some kind of filters in their home or bottled water to drink, right? That same water, when we process with this Kangen machine, it turns out into a healthy water. So no doubt there is a purifier in our home and that's the safest water that we are drinking is very clear. But when we process that water, it turns into healthy, adding 3 properties to the water. And those properties are water becomes antioxidant, water becomes natural alkaline, and water becomes microcluster. And today I am going to show that 3 properties in our water, and as well as we'll test with the regular water also. The first thing is antioxidant. We measure with minus ORP. ORP stands for oxidation reduction potential. If this goes into positive, it is nothing but oxidated water which is not suitable for drinking. Right? I need one volunteer to address this monitor. So you yourself turn on this connector and turn on and just check the water. Now please check Bisleri and tell the values. Yeah, just put it in the water. So what's the value?
350.
Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
Yeah.
Positive stands for oxidation. Right. Next.
340.
Kenley. Next.
470. Sprite.
Some cold drink.
Minus 550. 580.
See, this is going into minus.
This is going beyond 700.
Minus stands for electron. Right, that our body requires to rejuvenate cell energy. Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. The second property is natural alkaline. Next slide. Yeah. This is a pH chart, universal pH chart. Can I have pH drops on the water, please? So we're adding 5 drops in each water sample. This is Bisleri. You can see where it is getting matched. Somewhere around 6 to 7, slight acidic towards sickness. So you are adding this daily to your body if you are drinking this.
What are those drops you are adding?
Universal pH indicators.
Okay.
Even this is standing in same position. Sorry, I don't want to take the names of the brands. I'm not here to degrade any brand. As I told you, every drinking water is safest water, purified water. And cool drink, very acidic. Yeah. Kenyan water, where it is matching. somewhere 9.5, 10. This is 7. Here the magic is the one who is regularly drinking any purified water or any packaged drinking water. What happens to that person if he starts drinking Kangen water from now? So you see the magic here. The moment you start drinking Kangen water from the first sip onwards, it starts working in your body. But the magic here also there. The one who drinks any cool drink or any carbonated drink.
Can we test all?
If we have so. Okay. Anybody holding, anybody have? Because we just have one more property, it hardly takes 1 more minute. So the third property is microcluster. So water H2O cluster size in regular water will be around 15 to 20 molecules, but whereas in Kangen water, when we process the water with the Kangen machine, it gets with 5 to 6 molecules of size. And how do we test this? We need to send this water to lab and test. But if at all we have little common sense, we can test with tea bag also. We can add some tea bags in it and we can see. So here's the Lipton tea. Make it fast. You can go with any, or you take another one also. So we have added in regular water. We are trying to make tea. As the cluster size is bigger in size, so unable to make tea out of it. Whereas Kangen water, within 5 dips, the green tea is ready. If anybody volunteer is ready to taste the tea, green tea. Nobody? Okay, no issue. So please make it clear that whether tea is prepared or not.
Little bit prepared.
It got prepared.
Yeah.
Okay. So the microcluster is there. Right? So these are the 3 properties of the water. Thank you very much. If at all you can contact us. We have a stall here for the sample water also. Thank you. So we discussed this on the stall there.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Madam, can I give a testimonial for him?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
You can.
I've been diagnosed with second stage cancer, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, and I've been regularly using Kangen water, alkaline water. There are a lot of names and differences in the names, but at the end of the day, product is really very, very important. I said I had cancer, not I have. 5.5 months back, I was a cancer patient. Now, cancer is no more in my body. And there are many other things which has helped me out. Your product, your logic has helped me a lot. And Kangen water is the first thing that has helped me come out of my cancer. Please do not take this very lightly. It is highly recommended.